Hi, Assalamualaikum. Today we're going to present about a viability of product for UMK's convention sales during cost using cost volume profit analysis. This is our member. Next, for the introductions of CVP analysis, a performance management accounting method called cost volume profit CVP analysis looks at the connections between expenses, sales volume, and profits. In corporate settings, it is an invaluable instrument for performance management and decision making. In planning for profit, CVP analysis reveals sales target for desired profits, aiding in profits planning and its sub-management understanding how productions and sales impact overall the profitability. For analysis of break-even point identified through CVP analysis is where total revenue match total cost. Managers must grasp the minimum needed to avoid losses. For contribution margin, this analysis introduced contribution margin, total sales income minus variable cost. This vital metric indicates funds for fixed expenses and profit growth. Next, for the decision making, CVP analysis aids decision making by assessing financial impacts, assisting in pricing strategy, optimizing products, mix, and evaluations of cost adjustment. For sensitivity analysis, this method enables manager to gauge profit impacts from changes in the factors like selling price or cost through the sensitivity analysis, aiding risk assessment and scenario-driven decision. For performance evaluations, this analysis forms the basis for evaluating corporate division. Manager assess goal achievement by comparing actual results with CVP-derived predictions. Next is resources allocation. CVP analysis aid resources allocations by revealing link between cost and revenue, guiding efficiency using for increased profitability. Lastly, forecasting and budgeting. For this one, often integrate CVP analysis helping set realistic goals, assessing financial impact, and monitor results against plan and expenditure. In brief, cost volume profit CVP analysis is connections financial insights to performance management. It is enable setting realistic goal, informed decision making, performance assessment, and improvement by understanding how expenses and revenue respond to the volume changes.
Next, we move to detail of the product, Custom Design University Merchandise Convocation Edition. So our group's plan for the UMK Convocation event involves selling custom design merchandise with a primary focus on branded apparel. This carefully curated collection aims to cater to the diverse interests of the attendees, particularly the graduating students, and serve as memorable souvenirs to commemorate the special occasions. First is wide range of custom design university clothing. Our product is t-shirt, hoodies, cap, tote bags, lanyard, and button piece are available. All items features UMK's distinctive logo and convocation theme motif. Second is our customization option for graduates. Graduates can personalize their attire with custom details such as names and graduation years. Third is emphasis on quality. High quality textiles are chosen for comfort and durability to ensuring the highest quality standards for our product. Fourth is commitment to sustainability. We use of environmentally friendly products and commitments to ethical and ecologically sensitive operations. So these are our product details. T-shirts 300 unit, hoodies 200 units, caps 100 unit, tote bag 100 unit, lanyard 500 units, and button pins 1000 units. Next, we move to sale price. Our pricing strategy for the custom design branded apparel at the UMK convocation even involve a thoughtful approach to cater to a diverse audience. Firstly, for price point, we have set competitive price point to accommodate varying budgets such as follows. T-shirt are priced RM35, hoodies are priced RM45, caps are priced RM20, tote bags are priced RM15, lanyard are priced RM15, and button pins are priced RM10. Next, we take a look to variable cost per unit. For t-shirt is RM50 per unit. The manufacturing cost is RM8, customization is RM5, and other direct cost is RM2, so equal to RM4,500 for 300 units. For hoodies is RM20 per unit. The manufacturing cost is RM10, customization is RM7, and other direct cost is RM3. The total is 4,000 for 200 units. And for caps is RM8 per unit. So manufacturing cost is RM3, customization is RM4, and other direct cost is RM1. So the total is 800 for 100 units. For tote bags is RM5 per unit. The manufacturing cost is RM2. Customization is RM2 and other direct cost is RM1. The total is RM500 for 100 units. For lanyard is RM5 per unit. Manufacturing cost is RM2. Customization is RM2 and other direct cost is RM1. Total is RM2,500 for 500 unit. Last is button pins, RM2 per unit. Manufacturing cost is RM1. Customization is 50 cents. Other direct cost is 50 cents. So total is RM2,000 for 1,000 units. So the total revenue is 15,300 ringgit. Next, we move to target operating profit for 30%. The fixed cost booth rent is 1,000 ringgit. The target operating profit using a 30% target operating profit percentage are as follows. The total is 4,290. So target operating profit for each product is t-shirt 1,350, for hoodies 1,200, caps 240, tote bags 150, lanyard 750, button pins is 600.
My name is Nahazika binti Muhammad Azmi. My metric number is A22B1051. Next is break-even point analysis. First is unit quantity. The formula is BEP units equal fixed cost divide sale price per unit minus variable cost per unit. We got t-shirt 50 unit, hoodie 40 unit, caps 83 units, tote spare and layard we got 100 units, while butterpin we got 125 units. The total BEP unit is 498 units. Next, the sales. The formula is BEP ringgit Malaysia equal BEP multiply selling price per unit. T-shirt we got 1750 ringgit Malaysia. Hoodie we got 1800 ringgit Malaysia. Caps we got 1660 ringgit Malaysia. Tote spare and layard we got 1500 ringgit Malaysian, and button pin we got 1250 ringgit Malaysian. The total of ringgit Malaysian is 9,4600.
Hi everyone, my name is Radishwari and I'm from Consular Organization A22A0878. Today I would like to present on analysis to calculate the break-even point for different scenarios. Firstly, changes in site rental price. Assuming site rental increases to RM1,500, the BEP will be 0.13. Let's talk about selling price per unit. If the price of t-shirt rises to RM40, the new BEP is 40 units equals to RM1,600. Assuming an RM40 selling price for hoodies, the revised BEP is 50 units equals to RM2,000. Assuming that cap prices fall to RM18, the new BEP is 100 units equals to 1,800. If the price of tote bags rises up to RM25, the new BEP is 50 units equals to RM1,250. If the price of lanyard falls for RM10, the new BEP is 200 units equals to RM2,000. If the price of button pins rises to RM12, the new BEP will be 100 units equals to 1,200. Apart from that, variable cost per unit. If the variable cost of t-shirts falls to RM10, the new BEP is 40 units equals to RM1,600. Assuming an RM25 rise in variable cost for hoodies, the revised BEP is 50 units equals to RM2,250. Assuming that cap rises to RM10, the new BEP is 100 units equals to RM1,800. Assuming tote bags variable cost fall to RM4, the new BEP is 90 units equals to 1,350. Assuming lanyard variable cost of 3 unit, the revised BEP is 83 units equals to RM1,245. If the variable cost of button pins rises to RM5, the new BEP will be 200 units equals to RM2,000. Last but not least, target operating costs. Assuming the target operating profit percentage is increased to 50%, the new target operating profit is RM6,650.
Assalamualaikum, my name Adila Shafia binti Ahmad Rashidi. My number matrix is A22A0891. Today I would like to present to you the analysis of the expected operating profit at three various levels of sales. At first level, using 100 units, we can get total revenue at 3.5 thousand ringgit, total cost 5.5 thousand ringgit, and the profit we can get at loss with 2,000 ringgit. At the second level, using 200 units, we can get the total cost and total revenue at 7,000 ringgit, and the profit is zero. And the third level, we can use 3 units of sales, and the total revenue we can get 10.5 thousand ringgit, and total cost we get 8.5 thousand ringgit, and the profit is 2,000 ringgit. As we can see, at the lowest level of sales in cost volume profit analysis, the company will experience no income or loss. At this point, the total revenue equals to total cost, resulting in zero profit or loss. And we can be used to determine the economic viability of producing and selling a product or service. The contribution margin is difference between the sales price and the variable cost per unit. That's all from me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur Sufiatina binti Nuraizi, A22B1068, and I will present the next slide, which is the viability of our plan to join trade fairs and sales. Based on above analysis, achieving the targeted profit margin, controlling variable costs, and keeping pricing in check are all necessary for our plan to remain viable. Our decision making will be informed by sensitivity studies on goal profit, selling price, variable costs, and site rental, ensuring that our involvement is financially sustainable.
Okay, lastly, for the conclusion, practicing cost volume profit CVP analysis is crucial for product and organizations' longer VT. It provides vital insight into expenses, sales volume, and profitable relationship. CVP analysis aids strategic decision-making by clarifying cost structures and break-even points. It's also guiding choices on pricing, productions level, and the sales target. Efficient resources allocation is supported by CVP analysis, optimizing returns by understanding how price and production changes impact the earnings of the products. In a dynamic market, CVP analysis enables scenario planning and risk management, also helping the business adapt strategies amid uncertainties. It serves as a valuable tools for evaluating product and segment performance, guiding resources allocation towards the most profit endeavors for testing sustained growth. Overall, this CVP analysis empower business to make informed decisions, navigate challenge, and size opportunity, and establish a robust foundations for the long-term success. So that's all from our group. Thank you so much.